Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with my fellow YouTuber. Her channel name is My Life as Favor. So today we decided to come and show you a very quick and easy meal which you can put together on a night when you just came back from work or wherever you must have gone to. You're feeling so tired, but then you have to fix something for dinner for your family. So we decided to show you this very quick and easy recipe. And in my own video, I'm going to be showing you a very easy potato recipe. Please don't forget to go over to her channel to see what she made for dinner. Show her some love by subscribing to her channel. Alright, so these are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using Irish potatoes, and I'm going to be using 5 of these. You can even use sweet potatoes if you want. So here I have washed, peeled and cut them into my desired shape and size. Now I'm going to add the potatoes into a pot. Add a little bit of salt to it, just a very little bit of salt. And then I'm going to add a tiny bit of water. As you can see, it's not even up to the level of the potatoes, and that's exactly what I want. I'm going to place it on the fire and allow it to cook properly. So in another pan, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil. Allow it to heat up a little bit, and I'm going to add in the sliced onion. Add a teaspoon of the minced ginger and garlic paste, and then add about a teaspoon of the thyme. Mix everything together for some seconds. After about 30 seconds, I'm going to start adding all the vegetables. Now, if you're going to be using fresh green peas, this is the time to add it as well, but since I'm using the frozen one, I'm going to be adding it lastly. So after adding the vegetables, I poured in the tuna. I added a little bit of the oregano, add some salt, and then I added 1 nut cube, which I forgot to show you earlier in this video. I'm going to mix everything together until they are well combined. Then I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook on a low heat for about 5 minutes on a low heat. So after about 5 minutes, I'm going to add in my curry powder, mix it together again. Then I'm going to pour in the cooked potatoes. Now in my potatoes, I still have a little bit of water in it, and as you can see, I poured in everything. So I am going to pour in the frozen peas, mix everything together and cover the pot. Allow it to cook for additional 3 minutes on a very low heat, guys. We don't want to overcook the vegetables. Since your potatoes is well cooked, you don't need to cook it further. So I'm going to allow it to steam for 3 minutes on a low heat, and after 3 minutes my potato is as good as ready. Look at that color, guys. This meal tastes so delicious, and after making this, your kids will be like, "Mommy, I want more. Mommy, I want more." Who doesn't want that feeling? All right, it is time for the taste test. You guys, this this meal tastes so good. It tastes exactly as it looks. Please, I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think about it, and please don't forget to check out Favor's channel and subscribe to her channel as well. Thank you.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.